So from here I can sit on my chair and look all the way over the valley. Okay, this is absolutely crazy. So these wild boars, what they did is they walked in the valley. Then just before the feeding station, they went up towards my blind spot. Then they explored here a little bit. I got the fresh prints in my wall, and then they took off. And I already know that this is the cleverest animal of the forest, but they just followed my scent and ignored the scent of the food. Check the wild cam, and there's at least one buck on there. He didn't touch the food. Of course my scents are fresh, so they are a bit cautious. It's good to know that there are already animals interested in this place. I will now focus on ice fishing and let this place cool off, and then see what it brings.